Okay, I'm going to change the rain gutter on this Miata. The rain gutter is cracked and I need to take off the soft top. I will take out the one seat. Okay, then we have to disconnect this cable. Now I'm taking off the this cover. I will raise the top. Now I'm detaching the other fastenings there inside. I'm going to detach these screws. You have to take off these metal parts. Down here, the last nut is, it's good to be careful not to drop it. And now the first bracket is going off. Now it's time to take off the long one, the middle section. So that was the last one. I will detach the roof. Oh, here I can notice the problem why the car is leaking in the rain. The rain gutter, the soft top should be inside the rain gutter and not over it. Anyhow, this rain gutter is broken in some places, so I will put the new one in. Now I will detach the old rain gutter. So here is the old rain gutter. Before I put in the new rain gutter, I need to clean this car and the rag top. I will use some soap and water. This rust is a result of the leaking soft top. Here is the new one. It's a little bit other kind of material than the original one, but I think this will be good. Okay, that one is there. Now I had a gutter on the place. I'm going to put the rag top on its place into the gutter. I first lift it in, and then I start to put the nuts in the right places. Now I will put in the nuts. I will put just a couple of nuts to hold it in place. Then I will take them away and put this metal part. I'm going to put in this bracket, the right place. This will hold the rain gutter and soft top to the car. I just put the nuts in the place, just finger tight. The soft top has to be inside the rain gutter. So the water that comes outside will go into this gutter and go down here. And here inside is a hole where it goes down and out through the car. Now I put this thing there. This is the middle bracket. I have to take away the temporary nuts. Okay, now I have the bracket just slightly finger tight, all the nuts on the place. I use something I found on the net how to best results when the installation of the retainers. So I will follow that. I will start here. I will take on the other side. And then I have to take the middle. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Okay. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. And number 13. Okay, now I will span the nuts to the right torque. the window. I will pour some water here and see. The water should come out down here under. There is a drain hole. Checking for leaks. No leak. Put one here and just press it. Quite easy to put. The speaker wires. Now the car is ready.